Amigos, observe this. Friends, with this tip, you will be able to keep your closet and wardrobe mold-free, scented, and spending very little money. This advice is sensational. The result is incredible. I learned this from a domestic worker. Pay attention to what you are going to do now. We're going to use coarse salt, about 3 tablespoons. Friends, I assure you that you will love this tip. In addition to leaving your closet and wardrobe free of mold and moisture, it will leave them with a pleasant scent. I don't think you've known a trick like this until now. Next, place 3 tablespoons of coarse salt in this container. Yes, folks, just a little salt. The package is almost intact, as you can see. It's barely used. And the interesting thing about this tip is that it also benefits your health. Help your family's health and your wallet, since you'll save money by doing so. The big secret of this tip is the salt. Pour a tablespoon on top of the salt. In this way, you place it inside the container. This is the secret of luxury hotels. Now take the spoon and stir thoroughly. Look how incredible! Now we cover the container, and I'll show you what it's used for. As I'm sure you already know, there are expensive products on the market that we buy to combat mold. But with this, you will spend just a few cents. We mix the fabric softener with the salt, and the action of both fights mold and moisture. Leave your room scented and combat these problems. This is a public health issue, as the smell of mold can cause respiratory problems and allergies, but this fights it. They can place it in their closet, in the shoe rack, in the bathroom, and even in the window. Eliminates bad odor, humidity, and mold. It is economical and effective. They don't have to spend on expensive products that smell like old clothes. This tip will perfume your home and put an end to mold and dampness. If you've come this far, leave house emojis so that I know you've seen the entire video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.